Welcome to another Renegade Tech Tip. Today I'm going to discuss some features that we're going to discontinue support of or mass deployment of in Google Meet. And there's a variety of reasons for this. It could be that not everybody is using the feature as much as we thought they would. But we still want to make it available to those who do want to use it, or the product just isn't performing the way we had hoped, and Google has provided us with an acceptable alternative. So let's start with the easy one. Let's look at Google Meet attendance. Google Meet attendance has had mixed reviews from our teaching staff. Some people really love it, some people really hate it. The ones who dislike it, they feel that it's a nuisance and they don't like having to hide it with the little check mark here. So they don't want it, they don't use it. For that reason, we're going to make the Google Meet attendance add-on in Google Meet something that's available to teachers for download or inclusion into their Google Meet, but I don't think that we're going to be mass deploying it. So, or continuing the mass deployment. The other one that we're going to talk about today is Google Grid. Now this is an incredibly, when it works right, it works fantastic, and it's an incredibly useful add-on for Google Meet. Initially in Google Meet, at the onset of COVID and when everybody was going virtual, there wasn't a good solution or feature in Google Meet to tile your student pictures or your student images so that you could see the entire class as you worked with them virtually. Google Grid stepped in to fill that need. Now, Google Grid it's not actually a Google product. GridView is not a Google product at all and not supported by Google. And so it's not a GAF, Google Apps for Education add-on that we support. That being said, I'm going to introduce you to a new layout that's available in Google Meet. So to access that layout, we can click our three dot here and we will go to change layout, and we can then go to tile. So usually you're probably on auto or on spotlight. Tiled does the grid view, and you can determine how many tiles you're going to get, but with this little slider down here. So your options are 16, 30, and 42. You can go all the way up to 49 students. So that's a nice feature. Most teachers, I think, will be in the 30 range. So you can adjust the tile size that way, and it will work in much the same way as GridView. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me with those questions. And thanks for watching. As always, remember to subscribe for our latest content and hit that notifications bell so you will know as soon as it's released. So again, thanks for watching. I hope this helps.